All right, let's get right into it. We hear all the time about how AI is changing the world, right? But today, we're going to focus on something a little more personal, how it's changing people's bank accounts. This is all about the new and honestly sometimes pretty surprising ways people are making real money using AI.
So, that leads to the big question. Can these new AI tools actually generate a paycheck? I mean, is it really possible to go from just messing around with an AI to building a business that pays the bills? Well, according to the source material we're looking at today, the answer is a huge, resounding yes.
And look, we're not just talking about pocket money here. Some creators are apparently pulling in over $3,000 a day, and that's from a single t-shirt design made with AI. A number like that just completely changes the conversation from if this is possible to how on earth are they doing it. So how is it being done? Well, the source we're digging into focuses on strategies using one really powerful AI image generator called Nano Banana AI. We're going to break down the exact methods people are using with this one tool to build some pretty incredible businesses.
First up, let's talk about becoming a digital publisher. People are using AI to tap into one of the biggest marketplaces on the entire planet, Amazon. And they're doing it by creating and selling their own books without ever, touching an actual printing press.
You know, the most successful ideas are often the simplest ones. Take this, learn to draw books for kids. It's a classic, right? You show a cool animal or something and break it down into easy shapes and steps. But now, AI can spit out these step-by-step guides in literally seconds. And the potential here is just wow. One creator made just 3 of these books, and based on Amazon sales estimates, they are bringing in over $800 in sales every single day. That's from just 3 simple book ideas. And the process to do this is so straightforward. You just use the AI to generate all the drawing steps, pop the images into a simple PDF using something like Canva, and then upload it to Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing platform. After that, Amazon's print-on-demand system does everything else. They only print a book when someone buys one, and they ship it for you. It's a completely hands-off business once you've got it set up.
And believe me, this isn't a one-trick pony. Another crazy popular idea is making scavenger hunt books. You know, those pages just jam-packed with stuff for kids to find. It's another concept that AI is just perfect for, creating these super detailed, colorful scenes in a snap.
The demand for these is pretty staggering. One single scavenger hunt book from an independent author is estimated to be selling over 9,000 copies a month. A month! And that's just one book out of more than 30 that they've published. It really just goes to show you the power of finding a good niche and then just scaling it up.
Okay, so that's publishing. Let's shift gears. What if you're not really into creating a product? Well, you can sell your AI-assisted skills. This brings us to the AI-powered freelancer, who's using these tools to offer some really high-value creative services on sites like Fiverr.
And the kinds of services people want are pretty interesting. I mean, we're seeing freelancers doing AI-generated book covers. That's a no-brainer if you're in the self-publishing space. But it goes way beyond that. They're offering full brand identity kits for new businesses, and even those short, trendy AI animation videos you see all over social media.
So just so we're clear, a brand identity kit is basically, it's the whole visual vibe for a company. Everything from the logo and the color palette to the little icon you see in your browser tab. Freelancers are using AI to create all of this stuff and then present it in these really slick 3D mockups. Get this, one agency on Fiverr has 58 orders in its queue for this exact service as we speak.
And this is where things get really wild. On the high end of this freelance world, you have YouTube channels creating these short, viral AI animated videos. Based on its 300 million views in 1 month, one channel is estimated to be earning over $60,000 in a single month, just from YouTube's ad program. Insane.
And this chart right here explains everything. It's the why. To make one of those little animations with AI might cost you, 54 cents in credits? But to hire a traditional human animator for something similar, you're looking at an average of $350. That huge cost difference is what's blowing this whole market wide open.
All right, let's move on to our third and final category, the e-commerce creator. This is where AI meets actual physical and digital products that you can sell online. And the best part is, you often don't have to hold any inventory yourself.
The real engine driving all of this is the print-on-demand, or POD model.
It's simple. You use AI to create a cool design, you upload it to a product like a t-shirt, a mug, whatever, on a POD service, and then you list it for sale. And just like with the books, the product only gets made and shipped after a customer pays you for it.
Now, within this print-on-demand world, you've basically got two paths. The first is the standard set-it-and-forget-it approach. You make one awesome design and sell it hundreds of times. The other path, though, is custom products, where you make a unique design for every single customer. Yeah, it's more work, but the potential for sales is just on a completely different level.
And when I say incredible potential, I mean it. Check this out. One single custom t-shirt design on Etsy is estimated to have raked in around $6,700 in sales in the last 24 hours. That's what personalization can do.
This whole custom model also works amazingly well for digital products, where people just download the file and print them themselves. Some of the hottest niches right now are things like turning people's pets into kings or queens, remaking photos in a cool anime style, or even creating those Pixar-style family portraits. These are all things that AI is just exceptionally good at doing.
So we've gone over the tactics, right? Publishing, freelancing, e-commerce. But the source material is really clear that the actual secret to success isn't just knowing which buttons to click on the AI tool. It's something much more fundamental.
And this quote from the source really just hits the nail on the head. The tech itself is becoming common. Pretty soon, everyone's going to have access to it. The thing that will set you apart, the real advantage, is going to be your unique creative spark. It's your imagination.
So the winning play here isn't to just go out and copy whatever's popular. It's to find a little niche that no one's paying attention to and create something truly unique. So, yeah, don't just make pet portraits as kings and queens. What about pets as astronauts, or chefs, or hockey players? That's exactly what one successful store did, and it's how they stood out and made thousands of sales in less than a year.
Which really leaves us with this one last question to think about. As these AI tools get better and better, and they automate the technical skill of making an image, does that mean the most valuable product of all becomes that initial spark of a unique idea? Does it mean that human creativity itself is the ultimate product? It's definitely something to chew on.